Hello. In this video, we will show you how to install iKey Monitor Android Keylogger on an Android cell phone. First of all, you need to turn off Google Play protection and notification to prevent iKey Monitor from being flagged. Tap on Android Settings, go to Google, find Security, select Google Play Protect, turn off Scan Device for security threats. Then you need to turn off Google Notification, tap on Settings, go to Notifications, find Google Play Store and set it to off. Now you need to sign up for a free account at iKey Monitor official website. Then log in to the Cloud panel and download iKey Monitor for Android. Then you need to install iKey Monitor. Open the downloaded installer, tap on Open after installation, allow the permissions that pop up. Now you need to configure the essential settings to ensure iKey Monitor works in the background without being turned off. 1. Set Internet Service to Not Optimized in Battery Optimization. Tap on Configure, navigate to Battery Usage, click on Android OS, tap on Optimize Battery Usage. Select All. You'll see a list of all of your apps and games. Find Internet Service, and switch the button to Off. 2. Turn off Battery Saver. Tap on Configure, and set Turn on automatically to Off. 3. Click on View the guide to see how to allow background app. 4. Disable Google Play Protect. 5. Enable System Admin. 6. Enable Internet Service in Usage Access. Tap on Configure to enter Usage Data Access, tap on Internet Service, set Allow Usage Tracking to On. 7. Enable Internet Service in Accessibility. Tap on Configure, navigate to Installed Services, click on Internet Service, switch the button to On. 8. Enable Internet Service in Install Unknown Apps. 9. Allow Internet Service in Notification Access. Tap on Configure to enter Accessibility, find Internet Service, and switch the button to On. 10. Enable Allowed to appear on other app. 11. Enable Screenshot capturing without root. Tap on Configure. Next, you can choose to hide the status bar icon. You can go to Settings and navigate to Security to change the password and customize the PIN access. Also, remember to delete the web history and the downloaded installer to remove the traces. Now you can log into the Cloud panel to start monitoring. You can view chat logs in WhatsApp, Facebook, and other chat apps. Also, you can view the calls on the target Android phone, including call history and recordings. Also, you can check the GPS logs of the target phone on a preset time interval. You can even see the keystrokes that are inputted on a specific app. You can even check the web history. Also, you can view the screenshots of the apps installed the phone. Besides, you can even enable notification by setting up alert words. You can also listen to the phone's surroundings. From the Cloud panel, you can also export the logs. You can renew your iKey Monitor license key remotely without having access to the target phone. That's the end of iKey Monitor Android Keylogger installation tutorial. Thanks for watching it. If you have any concerns related to this app, feel free to contact us by visiting iKeymonitor.com.